Good morning, all my beautiful H3 Crewzers out there. Welcome back for another daily vlog. I hope I got enough content yesterday. It's really kind of hard to keep the daily vlogs and all the content, but it is day 6, and we are here in beautiful Cabo San Lucas, and take a look at this. I just woke up, I showered, now I have this beautiful balcony with my bare feet, and look at this gorgeous view. What's crazy though, you got the tenders right here. I got the tenders right there, and tenders back there. My throat's a little dry, sorry. Makes me sound a little raspy. All the tenders sitting here waiting. Beautiful Cabo San Lucas. If you do go out over this way, there are arches. Why am I not seeing them? Anyways, over there you have Lovers Beach and you have Divorce Beach right next to each other. You could literally take 5 steps from one to the other. But look at that gorgeous view. Now today I'm going to be staying on the ship because yeah, I just don't feel like going out there today. Like, well, I do, but I don't have the money to do what I want to do right now. So we're gonna stay right here on the ship and enjoy the ship when there is no one on it. I gotta actually wake Savannah up. She took my bed last night. Hello, Emma. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it is Emma. But Emma's calling tender tickets. By the way, I call it tender. But look at this. This little one stole my bed. Little butthead. So I had to sleep on the couch last night because I didn't want to get her up and move her. Ain't that sweet? So we are still in Cabo San Lucas. As you know, we didn't leave anywhere today, but I've been doing ship tour videos all day, like, well, for the last 20-30 minutes, and having fun with all that. And it's kind of wondering, I saw Boris came up to me, got a photo. Check this out. As you see, yeah, Boris came running up to me and we got a photo together. He's the maitre d' for the Horizon dining room right now. But I'm here in the Lido markets doing my ship tour still, and it's very hard being halfway through the day, not eating yet, and doing ship tour, passing food. And by the way, the deli looks amazing. They have one on there, it's called the Southwest Chicken Wrap, I think, something like that. I don't know, it sounds really good. It's got Chipotle Ranch. And then you come over here and look at this. I'm starving, and all this food is not doing its best sitting in front of me. Isn't that view amazing? Here in beautiful Cabo San Lucas, and this is from the Lido Market place area with the beautiful chairs and everything that you got. And look at this, got all these trees. You just sit up along the side here and look out the beautiful windows, or even sit up here. It's definitely nice out today. It's warm, so I may get on the water slides. And guess what? Still barefoot. It's the case, but it's warm enough for me to be tank top today. Hello, lovelies.
Well, once again, a very good afternoon, Carnival family. This is my last water shuttle announcement for the day. Just to let you know, the gangways are deck 0 forward and deck 0
She gets to take a breather.
So once again, deck 0
for the day.
forward and deck 0 midship. If you do have a little bit of trouble with the stairs, then we do recommend the midship is the best option.
Wow.
for you.
time to jump on because I got more stuff to show you in this ship tour video. So I got to get back to that before my phone dies. Okay guys, so I've done some changes. Got the swimsuit on. Bare feet. I don't know. It might not work. But does that mean we're not going to try? And we're just going to give up and not try? No, we're going to try and see what happens. Because sometimes you just got to do it, right? You just got to do it. So, upstairs we go. Water slide time. We can try to do it. We can try to do it. Water slides. Psh, psh. Still going barefoot. Oh, it's cold. It's a sad day. We're getting on the water slide. I'm gonna need a dryer in a minute. My feet are soaked. I got wet bare feet, wet bare feet. Take it way up there. It's totally gonna be worth it. Thank God my phone is waterproof. We doing it. We doing it. We doing it. We going. So needless to say, I wasn't able to record videos, so here's a photo for you guys. Well, my feet are a little sloppy right now. They splitter splatter. They're a little wet. But they comfy. You know, my feet will be nice and cool as I track around water for the next half an hour. Here you go, look. Going around the jogging track, drying my feet, leaving bear prints. Ignore the bear marks. Just going and going. Hopefully no one slips on my bare feet. I'd run, but my feet are slipping and soggy. But still, look at that beautiful view. Beautiful Cabo San Lucas, the sky ride, the ropes course. We'll try that later. We'll see what we can do. Well, once you get off of waterworks, you're gonna have to dry your feet a little bit. Yeah, nice and warm. Get all that dried up. It's actually not too bad. Don't worry, we'll do more waterworks tomorrow, but I got more ship tour videos or ship tour clips to film for the ship tour video. I know this thing is pretty loud, so after this I got to get up to the Asian kitchen, I think, and record that, and Camp Ocean I got to record as well. So there's still lots to come for the rest of the day. This is a filming day, so trying to get as much of the daily vlog stuff as I can, but also working on that other content for you guys. Well guys, the bare feet are mostly dried up, and it is 4:08 ship time. You know what that means? It means no more tenders. See? No more tenders along the side of the ship. You can see the propulsion back there kicking up some water. We are rotating and getting ready to leave Cabo San Lucas. Goodbye, Cabo. I haven't seen any whales today, surprisingly. It is whale season, and I haven't seen any whales. Maybe down in Puerto Vallarta. Definitely not in Mazatlan because they won't come into the port area. But yeah, look at all that water right there. Let me zoom out. Bam! You can see the propulsion system and how it's affecting the water right around here. But everyone, wave goodbye to Cabo San Lucas. Yes, this cruise, I'm staying on the ship because this ship is too beautiful to just leave behind. Although, it would have probably been nice to get off just to take a photo of the ship, which I will probably do in Mazatlan or Puerto Vallarta. But, like I said, feet are mostly dry. They still spitter spatter. I can't even speak right now. Pitter patter. See? He's still a little wet on the bottom. But I got some filming to do. And then some bare feet to dry. So off we go. We're here in the main dining room eating. Our table, we are the only ones at our table of 6. Full table by ourselves. Look at this one. Yep, that's what I'm dealing with. Why is everyone gonna look at you? See, boom, there you are. A quick moment, you get to see her. Can't have her too much. FTC, don't need anyone reporting me. Not targeted towards kids. This channel is not. Remember that. Hey, look who's actually showing up. Hey, Boris, how's it going?
You do well?
Yes, we're doing great.
Nicholas.
Yep, what's up?
Enjoy it?
Oh, yes, definitely. It's great. Yep, see,
For
Boris.
our followers, right?
Yep, Boris is awesome. Great maitre d'.
Looks like I'm sudden bombing to this thing.
What's up, H3 Crewzers? It has been a long day and an amazing day. Now, I'm going to try my best to hold my camera properly here, but I am here on the Cove balcony at the end of my night. We had an amazing time with Emma at the dance party, you know, rocking the, Lido deck. A lot of fun. Savannah was dancing, had a lot of fun with the crew members as well up there. Just a blast. But earlier, right here, these waves were kicking up insanely, and I got the video clip. I'm going to actually show it to you real quick, but we were sitting here, and the water came up from one of the waves and just nailed me, like soaked my whole side, soaked Brad. It just completely soaked us, and the water hit my phone screen and cut the camera off. Like, it actually hit the stop record button with the water and cut the clip off. But check this out real quick.
Enjoy the moment.
Why you get a cove balcony up front. When it gets crazy like this and you start getting wet in your balcony, whoa! Bro, let me zoom out, really see this. And I'm getting soaked right here. My face is all wet. You know? As you see, that water just came up and nailed the camera, nailed me, nailed Brad. Savannah was up at Kids Club at that time, but now I'm just sitting here and take a look at this because I want to show you this beautiful view that we have right now with the crazy waves that are coming up alongside the ship, because we got I think a 49-mile-an-hour wind coming at the side of the ship. So check this out. Look at that. Those waves are insane right now. And yes, I'm trying to block the wind as much as possible. Let me zoom out a bit. Just like I did last time. That's when I got hit. And it's not the waves that are splashing up here that come up and almost hit these lifeboats that I'm worried about. It's the ones that come up right here and just splash and just like it did that last time. Look at that. This is gorgeous. I could just stare at this all night. I don't know about you guys. I could stare at this view all night long. Okay guys, like I said, this comes the end of the night. I know my hair already looks like it's all messed up, but we're here on the cold balcony and woo, I think some water just came up and almost, I don't know, the floor's looking a little wetter. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Yeah. I'm one of those guys right there, like, come on. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed these daily vlogs. The daily vlogs are really, really hard to film. They don't seem like it, but when you're concentrating on ship tours, cabin tours, all this other stuff, plus you're trying to record throughout the day, plus trying to enjoy the vacation, and then the phone's dying and you're flipping phones, and there's just so much that goes into it, and it's so hard to do. So I hope you do like what I do put out and appreciate like the work I am putting into it, even though it's not the quality I see in here. Because if I could give you what I see in here, I would give it to you every day. It's hard to do. Maybe eventually I can have a cameraman that just follows me around and films for me. That'd be great. Films and edits and does everything. So I'd be like, oh yeah, that's what we need to do right now. And then they film the daily vlogs. That would be great. But that's probably not going to happen for at least, I don't know, maybe 5 years. So I can have someone that just follows around and does all that stuff. But guys, thank you again for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button below. And we'll see you tomorrow in Mazatlan. I'm going to talk to my buddy Chris because he was talking about possibly getting off the ship with me in Mazatlan and get some drinks and all that. Some of the waves are coming up when I'm not looking. Ooh, my hand got wet there. But guys, again, that's it. Thumbs up, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Love each and every one of you. The H3 Crewzers are amazing, and I have more photos to upload today of H3 Crewzers that have run into me and stopped me. So thank you guys, all of you who have been amazing, stopped me, talked to me, and got photos with me and everything like that. I will talk to you guys later. I'm out. Have a good night.